Besides those limitations I mentioned in the previous lecture, there also is another ChatGPT and also in general large language model limitation you should be aware of. The input you're sending to ChatGPT is kind of limited. Or put in other words, you can't send super large amounts of inputs to ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT, or to be precise, those GPT models that are being used under the hood, have a token limit. Now you might recall, tokens are these things which are used instead of words, and as mentioned earlier, a token can be a word but also be a part of a word, and tokens have these IDs which are then used by the model, but it's all about these tokens in the end therefore. And these GPT models have token limits, and the exact limit simply depends on the GPT model that is being used. This token limit, therefore, simply defines the maximum amount of text that can be handled by these GPT models, and therefore, of course, also by ChatGPT. And it's not just about the text you're passing to ChatGPT. Instead, since it is a chat, it's about the entire chat history. Because one huge advantage of ChatGPT is that it's a chat, and is that it keeps those old chat messages, your messages and its messages, in mind and considers them in combination with your new prompt whenever you're sending a new prompt to ChatGPT. This allows you to ask ChatGPT about something that might have been part of an earlier chat message. But therefore, of course, it's always the entire chat that has to be handled by ChatGPT as an input, and therefore it's the tokens of that entire chat that are taken into account by ChatGPT and that count towards that token limit. And these token limits, this limited context, really matters. For one, ChatGPT doesn't allow you to insert super long prompts. If you, for example, want to use ChatGPT to summarize a very long document and you paste in the entire document combined with your prompt, your question, ChatGPT might not accept this. But besides that, ChatGPT also simply starts to forget certain things as your chat history grows. If you go beyond that token limit, ChatGPT simply forgets certain things it already replied before or you already sent to ChatGPT before. And this token and context limit is therefore, of course, a very important limitation you should be aware of.